This is
An
good
iPhone
quality
13
fast charger from
with a
AK
USB
company.
to
Let
Lightning
me
cable,
show you
which is
something.
6 feet long. The charging speed of the USB is 20 watts, which is 3 times faster than the original 5-watt charger. It will only take 30 minutes to charge your iPhone to more than 50% and less than 2 hours to charge your iPhone fully. This is an hour and a half faster than the original charger. This charger has a multi-protection system. It will not overcharge, overheat, or add overvoltage to your phone. There is also a smart chip in the Lightning cable. This is compatible to what is required by Apple devices, so you can charge both iPhones and iPads safely. Let's try charging my iPhone. Currently, my battery charge is 70%, and it is 4:25. 16 minutes later, at 4:41, I am now at 80%.